Hey guys, welcome back to another interesting video of 1 2 Step, and in this video I am going to show you how to sign out on your Zedge application if you are using the Zedge application for the first time or you are just a beginner for Zedge. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to sign out of your account, you just simply have to open this Zedge application at first. Then after opening the application, tap into this icon into the top right. Then after that, it will give you this gear icon into the top right side. Just simply tap into that. Then you will directly get the option to log out. Just simply click into that button. Then your account will be sign out from the Zedge application. By following these very easy steps, you can easily sign out on the Zedge application using your mobile devices. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.